Because it's summertime when you're looking for bison, you're looking for the dark.
Yep.
We just left Mammoth. We're driving. Oh, there's elk right up there. Right up on the.
Whole bunch of them.
Yeah, there they are. Yeah, it's some elk. A small group of them. There, that bridge should be right up here. I gotta pick this stuff up. Just in case, my brother bought wolf identification for the wolves. And looking at the map, the range looks like the Junction Butte pack is the most likely one we'd see in Lamar Valley. That's what the range says on here. Okay. Gardner River. Here's the bridge. Going over. Yeah, look over the side here. How the road looks right now.
Packed ice and snow.
Yeah. Not horrible. Pulled over here, and this is Ondine Falls. And the parking area plowed out, and looks like they even have it cleared out to go down and look at the falls. Last summer when we were here, we didn't have a chance to stop in here to look at it. Little did I know that we were going to be here now. Here's the viewpoint here. Oh, beautiful, cool. Ah, look at that. Okay, zooming in. Slowly. Look at that. Oh, wow. So you gotta go in closer. And look at that. You see the water falling underneath the ice. Oh, I gotta hold this steadier. There we go. Yeah, see the water falling behind the ice? Yeah, hold steady.
Yeah, I can, at the upper area, you can see right through the ice.
Yeah. There's it. Hard to... Yeah, that's it there. There's the waterfall back there. Look around. Looks like one of those tour bus things just parked up there. But, yeah. Looking down. And there's the waterfall. Alrighty. There we go. Undine Falls. Look at that closer. Hmm. There we go. Okay, we're at Wraith Falls. My brother's going to stay at the car and change into his boots. He's not going to walk back there. It's a half-mile walk. And we're walking up to there. I'm going to do it. See, it's a 0.51 way. So I am going to walk back there. This is what the trail looks like right now. Okay, on my way to Wraith Falls. Under a tree here, you can see droppings. I took refuge under the tree. Beautiful walk back here. Oh, we got a little water to step over. Cool. Come across. Of course, this time of year, don't need to worry about bears. They're hibernating. Man, I was not expecting to be in Yellowstone in January. Did not know we were going to end up here on this trip. Of course, I was here last July, and up here I was hoping to make it up here to these stops, you know, Undine Falls, Wraith Falls, and Petrified Tree, but did not have the timing didn't work out, so didn't make it up here. Did not know that we're going to be ending up coming here in January right now. Man, it is beautiful. Just one more time on my way out to Wraith Falls. And after this, I'm pretty sure it probably is plowed out, so hopefully. The Petrified Tree, I'm hoping that's open too. So we can stop in there. Whew! Met up at a higher elevation again now, so. Whew. A bridge. I'll look upstream. Oh man, look at the ice. Water flowing underneath it. I was walking fast. So I'm walking fast and I'm at higher elevation, so I'm kind of out of breath. A little more than I would normally be. Okay, now let's take a look at downstream. Right beneath. How about it? Oh man. Oh, cool. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Heading up that way. Steps. When we were at Mammoth, I changed from my shoes over to my boots, and I got my chains on. Oh. Walking up an incline now. Oh. Oh. Made it, end of the line. There's Wraith Falls. Oh. Beautiful. Oh. Getting closer, maybe. I'm going to take and catch my breath for a moment, then refilm. Okay, I've kind of caught my breath now. Let's take a look at it again. No, can't go any closer than that. Beautiful. And there we go. Wraith Falls. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. That's how it looks coming downstream. Water's flowing underneath the snow down there. Can't see it flowing there, but well, there's a little. It takes and flows that direction. Oh, look at the view that direction too. Oh, beautiful. Wow. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, going to walk back down to the car. All right, I started walking down. I remembered I forgot to do the selfie video part with Wraith Falls in the background. So I had to come back up. just to do this video clip. Whew, man alive. And it almost gotten all the way down to the base of the incline. Then come all the way back up again. But okay, there we go. Wraith Falls over my shoulder. Alright, this time I'm heading down to the car. Oh. I'm gonna pause here for a moment. You see the road down there. No, kind of look down the valley that way. That's the direction we're headed. Man, it's beautiful looking that way. Okay. Alrighty, here we go.